welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Glossier makeup. I tend to use Glossier like almost every day, so this is essentially my everyday makeup look. Super quick, super easy. I use like minimal brushes, mostly using my hands. It's gonna be like the shortest one brand tutorial video you've ever seen. So first I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my lips with my glossierbomb.com in Coconut. Next I'm going to apply my Glossier Stretch Concealer in the shade G11. And I'm just going to apply this by tapping it onto my skin. You guys are probably like, oh, they have a primer, but I actually don't like the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. It wasn't my favorite and I ended up passing it on in my declutter. And to keep this like a one brand tutorial, I'm not going to use a different primer. Like, that's pretty impressive. That coverage, and it's super creamy. Okay, so now I have the coverage that I would like, and as you can see, it kind of like made my face just one color. So we're gonna deal with that a little bit later, but first I'm gonna apply my Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Brown. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm going to go on to my cheeks and I'm going to be applying the Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. So sometimes I find this a little bit difficult to control how much comes out. So I'm just going to pop up a tiny little bit. Ooh. That's a perfect little amount. So I'm just going to take that on my finger. I'm going to put it on both. And then I'm going to do one cheek at a time to make sure that it doesn't dry on me. As you can see, a little bit goes a very long way. Such a beautiful rosy color. So now you can see that my cheeks are just a lot more rosy and it brings that color back into my skin. Now that I have you guys up close, I'm going to apply my Glossier Lash Slick. And now I'm going to apply my Glossier lip gloss. And the last product is their Wowder, but I'm not actually going to apply it today because I'm loving the way that my face looks, and this powder is not my shade. It's actually a little bit darker, so it's better for me in the summertime. If you guys are thinking of getting this powder, they did relaunch a couple more shades, so you may fit the shade range a little bit better. When I bought it, there was only 3 shades and this was the lightest and it doesn't match me. So like I said, this makeup tutorial was really easy and simple. I didn't use any other brushes. I just used my fingers and the applicators, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and it gave you some insight on any products from Glossier that you want to try. I do have a 10% discount code if you guys are looking to try out their products for the first time. I will leave that at the top of the description box below so that you guys can place your order. Let me know what you guys bought, and also be sure to let me know what your favorite Glossier product is down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!